The power of 1%. Everyone wants success. Everyone wants to change their life. Yet most people fail, not because success is impossible, but because they believe big results require giant leaps. They wait for the perfect day, the perfect plan, the perfect opportunity. And while they wait, their dreams quietly fade. But what if success is not about monumental efforts, but about small, consistent steps? What if improving by just 1% each day could completely transform your life? Let me tell you the story of Ahmed. Ahmed was an ordinary student, average in his studies, average in sports, average in almost everything. Every time he compared himself to others, he felt small. His friends scored higher, spoke better, and carried themselves with confidence. He tried to change many times, but the pressure to become perfect overnight always crushed him. He would study intensely for a week, then give up. He joined the gym, but quit after 10 days. He tried waking up early, but failed within 3. After each attempt, he told himself, "Maybe I'm just not good enough." Slowly, he began to believe he was destined to remain average. One day, Ahmed visited his grandfather, who was quietly polishing an old wooden chair in the courtyard. "Grandfather," Ahmed asked, "why do you spend so much time on this old chair? It will never look new again." His grandfather smiled. "Do you see these small strokes of polish? Each one seems tiny, but each adds a little more shine. Slowly, with patience, the whole chair will glow again." Ahmed looked puzzled. His grandfather continued, "Life is like this chair, my child. You don't need to change everything at once. Just add a little shine every single day, one stroke at a time. That is the secret of real transformation." Those words stayed with Ahmed. He decided to try the 1% rule in his own life. Instead of aiming for 3 hours of study, he started with just 15 minutes and added 5 more each day. Instead of forcing himself to run 5 kilometers, he began with 5 push-ups and slowly added 1 more daily. Instead of trying to become fluent in English overnight, he learned just 5 new words each morning. At first, the progress was invisible. No one noticed. Even Ahmed felt nothing was changing. But after 30 days, his 15 minutes of study had become 2 hours. His 5 push-ups had become 50. His vocabulary had grown by 150 words. And most importantly, his confidence had begun to shine. Months passed. Ahmed didn't become a genius overnight, but gradually his classmates noticed. He answered more questions in class. His body grew stronger and healthier. He spoke with clarity and confidence. Then one day, he won first place in a school debate. Even his teachers were surprised. "How did you change so much?" they asked. Ahmed simply smiled. "I didn't change all at once. I just became 1% better every day." This is the hidden truth of success. You don't need giant leaps. You need tiny, consistent steps. A 1% improvement daily may seem small, but it compounds. Improving by 1% every day means you become 37 times better in a year. Think about it. Read just 10 pages a day and you'll finish 12 to 15 books in a year. Save just $1 a day and you'll build a savings habit stronger than those who wait for a large income. Success is not about intensity, it's about consistency. Small actions, repeated daily, create unstoppable momentum. So if you feel stuck, if you feel average, remember Ahmed's story. Don't try to change everything in one day. Just ask yourself, what is one small thing I can do today to become 1% better? Because greatness is not built in a day. Greatness is built daily, one stroke, one step, 1% at a time. And when you look back, you'll realize those tiny steps created the giant leap you always dreamed of. Big success is nothing more than small improvements done consistently. Your 1% today is your 100% tomorrow.